how utilities can help homeowners afford energy efficiency upgrades. In a bold move to enhance home energy efficiency, a startup from Detroit is collaborating with utility companies to make upgrades more affordable for homeowners. Renovating a home can be a daunting task, filled with challenges such as finding reliable contractors and negotiating fair prices. This often leads to a sense of uncertainty that many homeowners dread. Numerous startups have emerged to assist homeowners with electrification projects, which include installing solar panels and swapping out gas furnaces for heat pumps. However, a significant hurdle remains. The cost of acquiring customers can consume a large portion of their resources. Enter Pearl Edison, a company that believes the solution lies in partnering with utility providers. We are capitalizing on their established brand, trust, and reputation, explains Evan Anderson, the co-founder and CEO of Pearl Edison. This innovative approach has attracted the attention of investors, resulting in a successful seed funding round of $3.3 million from New System Ventures and Commonweal Ventures, with additional participation from Lightbank and New Lab. Pearl Edison collaborates with utility companies to pinpoint customers who stand to gain the most from energy retrofit projects, such as the installation of heat pumps and enhanced insulation. The company creates a customized, white-labeled website for each utility and assists them in launching campaigns aimed at enrolling customers in energy efficiency programs. Utilizing a variety of data sources, Pearl Edison designs tailored job proposals and guarantees pricing for customers. Once their software generates an initial draft of the project plans, they dispatch workers to verify the details on site before finalizing the designs. After the plans are confirmed, the company connects these projects with pre-approved contractors who carry out the installations. Pearl Edison profits from these installations, estimating that most projects will cost less than the initial quotes provided. Homeowners can also expect to save money as Pearl Edison can negotiate lower costs due to the reduced time contractors spend on customer acquisition. Currently, Pearl Edison has established programs with 2 utility companies, DT Energy in Michigan and Duquesne Light in the Pittsburgh area, along with a partnership with the city of Ann Arbor, Michigan. Anderson has indicated that they plan to onboard 2 additional utilities within the year. "We have found these partnerships to be highly beneficial," Anderson remarked. Tim Deschat, a senior climate reporter at TechCrunch, has contributed to various esteemed publications, including Wired, the Chicago Tribune, Ars Technica, The Wire China, and Nova Next, where he served as the founding editor. He is also a lecturer in MIT's graduate program in science writing and was awarded a Knight Science Journalism Fellowship at MIT in 2018, focusing on climate technologies and innovative journalism business models. Deschat holds a PhD in environmental science, policy, and management from the University of California, Berkeley, and a BA in environmental studies, English, and biology from St. Olaf College.